welcome back to my channel. It's your madam. So kung nakikita niyo, nandito tayo sa kwarto ngayon because mag-i-impake tayo. We're going to Taiwan. We'll just bring one maleta, a really big one. Ito na yung luggage namin. Tapos hand carry na lang yung iba, gaya ng mga gadgets. So samahan niyo kami mag-impake. Ang gulo-gulo na niyan kasi nahiga-higa na ako. This is our maleta. So check-in luggage ito. And meron siyang mga compartments. So this is where the clothes go usually. Ito naman yung part na may zipper. This is usually where the shoes go, yung mga kung anong anik-anik. Parang may laman. Oh my God, it's here! So nawala kasi yung rosary ko at yung aking mga anting-anting. Every time we travel, I'll just share this with you. So every time we travel, I always make sure na dala ko to. This is antique jade pendant. And this is the cross na binigay naman ng best friend ko sa akin from Hong Kong. Nung college kami, so I always have it with me. I also have this rosary. So this was given to me by my best friend, si Dre. If you remember her, nasama ko na siya sa vlog. She bought this sa Vatican. So blessed na to. I always bring it with me. And this anting-anting. So ito yung ano namin, parang this is what keeps us safe sa mga travels namin. Hindi ko ito mahanap. Only to find out, nandito lang pala sila sa loob ng maleta. Hindi na sila nilabas. I'm just gonna bring it back inside so that we are protected. And let's start packing. Unahin na natin yung mga damit. So we'll be in Taiwan for how long ba? Parang 4 days and 3 nights. So we're leaving Wednesday and we will be back on Sunday. So Sunday morning nandito na kami. So ito na yung mga damit. So we are usually not the best packers in the world. Sa video na to, nakikita niyo ako nagpapack, but in reality,
ako lang nga nagpapack.
Oo, sorry, si baby lang talaga yung nagpapack.
Tsaka every travel, hindi talaga ako natutulog. Baka may iwan ako ng airplane.
Oh, ang cute nga na reason niya, hindi siya natutulog every time may travel kami.
As in never, lahat ng travel, never ako natulog.
Kasi natatakot siya, baka maiwan daw siya.
Ako yung taga-gising. Kasi nung bata ko, lagi ako iniiwan. Sa lolo ko, pag-gising ko, wala na lagi sila. So ngayon, ako hindi matutulog. Bahala kayo dyan.
Siya usually nag-aayos ng lahat ng gamit. But this time, kasi sinipag ako, so tutulong ako. Tutulong ako manood habang nagtutupi siya. Honestly, sorry hindi ako marunong magtupi. So I leave it to him, yung pagtutupi. So later na yung underwear, yan yung pinakahuli namin pinapasok sa maleta. Unahin natin yung mga damit. For this trip, sabi namin konti lang yung dadalhin namin. Yes. Yung definition ko ng konti, again, matutuwa kayo because ang arte-arte ko. Yung konti for me, like for example, yung 4 days, 3 nights, dapat in 1 day, may 3 damit ako, at least. Usually, ganun yung computation ko. So, meron akong isang damit, I wear it for the day, meron akong pampalit, just in case pagpawisan ako, kasi ayoko yung pinagpapawisan ako, then matutuyo siya sa damit. I usually change, and then meron akong pantulog na damit sa gabi, yung pambahay. But now, sabi ni baby, kontian lang namin this time, para hindi masyadong
bulky,
space consuming, and masyadong bulky. I said yes. So, meron akong 2 damit lang for the day.
Dalawa talaga?
Malaking improvement yon. Ano yun, don't roll it kasi it gets bulky. Tapos tumataba siya, sumisikip. Kasi pag ni-roll mo siya, tataba siya. Naka-Airbnb kami sa Taiwan. I'm not sure kung may plan siya doon. Ayaw natin ng lukot-lukot na damit.
Kung magdala ng hanger eh.
Do it like that lang. The shorts you can roll, okay lang. But the t-shirts, so how many t-shirts do I have?
Siyempre marami yun sa'yo. Hindi ka pwede pagpawisan.
So ayan, we're done with our clothes here. So we're bringing a towel kasi naka-Airbnb kami. I'm not sure kung may towel doon.
Just in case.
So let's buckle this and we're done. Next naman namin ay ang aming slippers, which we usually put inside a plastic bag because hindi siya malinis. Dumi siya. I have bigger slippers. What I'm wearing kasi na slippers, I get it from MBT, so it's specifically designed for walking. Hindi sumakit yung paa mo, lalo na with my weight. So I can really walk long distances comfortably. Kumbaga yung technology sa slipper ko. Mas comfortable lang siya, pero regardless naman. Si baby, susuko yan pag ako na naglakad-lakad, lalo na sa mall, sa galaan. I can walk for 4 hours straight na hindi nauupo. Talent ko yun, kahit mataba ako. Diyan kami lagi nagtatano. Dala-dalawa yung sapat. I'm not a fan of shoes. Siya dapat dalawang shoes dala niya. Ako, okay lang ako kahit slippers lang and one shoes. Okay, so what's next? So the next thing na ayusin natin, syempre yung aming soap. I always make sure that I have a liquid soap with me. Kasi every time we travel, hindi namin sure kung maganda ba or mabango ba yung soap. I really like this one. So I got this from L'Occitane. Ang bango-bango nito. Ang tagal na nito, so paubos na siya. I usually buy this one lang kasi nalilipat ko siya ng lagayan, so I love it. So this one usually enough na to sa amin ni baby boy. And because liquid to, this one I got from Muji. 100 ml lang talaga yung kinuha namin. Kasi more than that, baka harangin na sa airport. I put it here sa separate bag. Also yung toothbrush namin. Syempre yung ating facial wash. Ito yung ginagamit namin. I really love this. So ito yung Innisfree na Sea Salt Perfect Cleanser. 40%, it means yung laki ng mga salt granules niya. Ang ganda niya sa face. I really like it. And basta, it's really effective. Also, dinadala ko din to, yung green tea seed serum ko na moisturizer sa face. So, yung maliit lang na version, para handy. And my Jeju Orchid Enriched Cream. Ewan ko ba, I really love their products, yung Innisfree. I don't know why. Pero feeling ko super effective na lang talaga. So, there, nandito na siya sa pouch na to. And then, here naman sa compartment, to sa may zipper, where I put my other stuff. So, I have here my Camilo San. So, just in case na magka-sore throat, I really have this. I have enlarged tonsils kasi. So, just in case, para na makaiwan. Pero hindi naman siya yung laging may sore throat or what. This one, ayan, every night kasi, gusto ko magto-massage kay baby. So, yeah, this is what we use pag minamasahe niya ako. I also have my eye drops. Kailangan ko to kasi mabilis akong, alam mo yun, lagi akong nagkakamot ng eyes so nai-irritate siya. And of course, my meds. So, ito siya. Usually, yung nilalagay lang namin sa bag na hand carry namin is yung iinumin ko lang. So, this one, I have meds sa morning. I also have meds sa evening. So, pinaprepare na ni baby. Andito na siya. So, ilalagay na natin dito. And this one, ang ating best friend. Yung Gaviscon. Yes, Team Gaviscon. We always bring a lot kasi mabilis kami magka-acid reflux. It's a lifesaver. Ganun, lifesaver talaga. So, itong pouch na to, this area, it's all for the meds usually and for my kaartehan. Yung socks namin, so this is the part na medyo may net-net siya, so it's breathable. Siyempre, meron pa tayong space dito. I decided na ilagay na lang dito yung ating gimbal. So, I'm bringing this as well. I'll just show you what it is. So, isa to sa mga ginagamit namin for vlogging. Ayan. I need this para maganda yung ating mga shots. So, also, I have a separate pouch for all my wires and chargers para hindi siya kalat-kalat. So, it's here. My GoPro is also here. I also bought this. It's very useful. So, when you're traveling, sa ibang bansa kasi iba yung saksakan nila. So, ito, bumili ako ng universal na eklat. Just in case, iba yung saksakan doon. Hindi tayo makapag-charge. At least meron tayo nito. And, of course, yung charger ng aming toothbrush. Next naman natin is our gadget bag. So, yung camera bag namin. Andito lahat ng cameras. This one, yung ginagamit ko ngayon to shoot, goes here. Andito din yung aming lapel. This is my wireless lapel as well. This one, di kasya dito. So, sa bag na lang to ni baby boy together with the laptop. So, my GoPro, this is the lens. Of course, my GoPro batteries goes here. My GoPro, I usually hand carry to kasi hindi naman to pwede check-in scary. Baka mawala or masira. So, yung extra battery. So, every time we leave, we make sure na fully charge yung battery. Kasi nakaka-stress pag hindi siya naka-charge. Tapos pag saksak mo paggamit mo, it's not working. So, ayan, I changed my mind. So, baka kailanganin ko to. And dito lang yung magaan dalhin. So, this will be inside my bag. So, si baby, meron talaga siyang backpack. Because this is where our gadgets go. Yung laptop. Si laptop namin, nasa loob pa nito because inside this one, nandito yung kanyang mga gamit. And for extra protection, para mas malambot siya. It goes there. Of course, this one also goes there. So, there you go. And this is also where my meds go. Yung medicines ko. So, makakalimutin ako. It's always my baby. Reminds me to drink my meds. So, okay na tayo. Now, let's go to my bag. So, ayan. Kung gano'n ako kalaki, gano'n ka-cute yung bag ko. I like body bags. Tsaka, hindi din ako pinapayagan ito na magbit-bit ng mabika. So, kaartehan niya yan in our relationship. He doesn't want me to bring the heavy stuff. Dito naman sa bag ko, this is where my wallet goes. At lahat-lahat ng abubot ni baby. Kung ano-anong pinaglalagay niya dito. Ayaw niya akong magdala ng mabigat. Pero lalagyan niya ito ng mga kung ano-ano. Our susi, it goes there. And syempre yung mga important documents, yung aming passport, and yung plane tickets namin. But I don't usually print it out anymore. So there, ito yung passports namin, Harold and Ellie. So it goes here also. And the GoPro, and my iPad. And syempre, this is also where my perfume goes. Ayan. So this is what I'm using, yung Obsessed ng Calvin Klein. I like the smell. For women to meron itong for man, but I don't like it. So yung for women yung gusto ko. And syempre, because we're traveling abroad, and I'm really excited about it. Alam mo, pag nagtitravel ka, wala ka minsan internet na mahanap doon. You have to buy a SIM card there, i-register mo. Sometimes yung phone mo, nakalock pa sa network mo, hindi mo ma-open. And you only get to have one internet sa isang device. But I have this. Ito ang Wi-Fi device namin sa Taiwan. This is a product ng Cherry Mobile. It's basically a device that you can rent and you can load up para magkaroon kayo ng internet sa ibang bansa. I-rent nyo siya. You can visit their website. I'll put it in the description box below. And then you just have to tell them kung saan yung country na pupuntahan mo. I-configure nila to for you. So what you need to do na lang, pagdating mo sa country na yon, is ito-turn on mo na lang siya. This can power up 5 devices. Doon sa website, may kita nyo na yung pricing. And all the countries kung saan pwede mo magamit ang Cherry Roam. So sobrang daming countries na siya. Asia, Europe,
Sobrang
the
ganda
Middle
pala yan, no?
East, Australia. Talagang helpful siya kasi, di ba? Ang internet ngayon, bahagi na siya ng Maslow's hierarchy of needs.
Totoo.
Ano yung Maslow's hierarchy of needs?
Basta nag-agree lang ko.
So I have Cherry Roam. Thank you, Cherry Mobile, for lending this. Thank you, Miss Aggie. Thank you, Aline. Syempre kay Miss Michelle and kay Sir Maynard. Thank you so much. Pagbalik nyo pala sa bansa, syempre ibabalik nyo yung device. Kasi here in the Philippines, hindi na ito gagana kasi nakakonfigure to syempre sa bansang pupuntahan nyo. Maraming salamat. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to. We'll see you in Taiwan. Magkita-kita tayo in Taiwan. I'm so ready. I'm so excited. Kaya excited ka na ba?
Oo, hindi na tayo tulog. Alas 2 na eh.
So magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na vlog bukas. Syempre, please don't forget to like and share this video kung nagustuhan nyo. Huwag nyo na rin kalimutan mag-subscribe sa channel ko at pindutin yung notification bell para ma-update kayo sa aking mga uploads. I also have a Facebook page. Please don't forget to like it, Madam Ellie. Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the Madam Ellie. Maraming salamat, Madam Cheese. Ito pa rin ang inyong nag-iisang pambansang Madam na pupunta ng Taiwan. Kasama kanyang pambansang baby boy.
Hello!
Kasama din namin si Mars Lloyd, si Mars Ryle, si Libres, at si Ate Suzette. Bye!